Setting different color for each series in scatter plot on Matplotlib. Suppose I have 3 data sets. I can scatter plot this. How can I do this with 10 sets? I searched for this and could find any reference to what I'm asking. Edit, clarifying, hopefully, my question. If I call scatter multiple times, I can only set the same color on each scatter. Also, I know I can set a color array manually, but I'm sure there is a better way to do this. My question is then, how can I automatically scatterplot my several data sets, each with a different color? If that helps, I can easily assign a unique number to each data set.
I don't know what you mean by manually. You can choose a color map and make a color array easily enough. Or you can make your own color cycler using itotools.cycle and specifying the colors you want to loop over, using next to get the one you want. For example, with 3 colors. Come to think of it, maybe it's cleaner not to use zip with the first one either.
The normal way to plot plots with points in different colors in Matplotlib is to pass a list of colors as a parameter, e.g. when you have a list of lists and you want them colored per list. I think the most elegant way is that sugacided by at DSM. Just do a loop making multiple calls to scatter. But if for some reason you wanted to do it with just one call, you can make a big list of colors with a list comprehension and a bit of flooring division.
Hashtag an easy fix. If you have only one type of collections, e.g. scatter with no error bars, you can also change the colors after that you have plotted them. This sometimes is easier to perform. Hashtag the only piece of code that you need. The output gives you different colors even when you have many different scatter plots in the same subplot.
You can always use the plot function like so.
This question is a bit tricky before January 2013 and Matplotlib 1.3.1, August 2013, which is the oldest stable version you can find on Matplotlib website. But after that it is quite trivial. Because present version of matplotlib.pylab.scatter support assigning, array of color name string, array of float number with color map, array of RGB or ABA. This answer is dedicated to Oxenabox's endless passion for correcting the 2013 version of myself in 2015. You have 2 options of using scatter command with multiple color in a single call. As pylab.scatter command support use RABA array to do whatever color you want. Back in early 2013, there is no way to do so, since the command only supports single color for the whole scatter point collection. When I was doing my 10,000 line project, I figured out a general solution to bypass it. So it is very tacky, but I can do it in whatever shape, color, size, and transparent. This trick also could be applied to draw path collection, line collection. The code is also inspired by the source code of pyplot.scatter. I just duplicated what scatter does without trigger it to draw. The command pyplot.scatter return a patch collection object. In the file matplotlib/collections.py, a private variable _facecolors and collection class and a method set _facecolors. So whenever you have a scatter points to draw, you can do this.
support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.